Stop uploading phone photos of receipts straight to Claude. In a real receipt scanning pipeline I tested, that one habit dropped line item accuracy to 61% across 250 receipts. If you're running invoices, expenses, or any phone shot paperwork through Claude for a small business, you're paying tokens to guess through noise. I'll show you the exact 15-line OpenCV preprocessor that took accuracy to 93% and cut token cost 41%. Most tutorials demo clean digital PDFs and tell you to convert to Markdown. That advice falls apart on a crumpled receipt shot in bad lighting. I build this for clients daily. Let's fix it. Here's the scenario. A small business owner photographs a paper receipt on a cheap Android phone. Bad angle, shadow across the top half, glare on the total line. They drop it into Claude and ask for line items and a total. Claude returns something that looks right. It isn't. 4 of the 10 line items are wrong. The total is off by a few euros. Multiply that by 200 receipts a week and you've got a bookkeeping problem that costs more to fix than to do by hand. This is the real failure mode nobody shows you. Every PDF-to-Claude tutorial on YouTube uses a clean digital invoice exported from Stripe or QuickBooks. Of course it works. The advice everyone repeats, convert your PDF to Markdown first, is useless here. Because you don't have a PDF. You have a JPEG from a phone camera with skew, shadow, and compression artifacts. The fix isn't a better prompt. It isn't a bigger model. It's image pre-processing before Claude ever sees the file. 2 steps that take about 15 lines of Python with OpenCV. Step 1. Load the image and convert it to grayscale. Color information adds nothing for text extraction, and it inflates your token cost. Step 2. Deskew. Run a canny edge detector, then a Hough line transform. Take the median angle of the detected lines and rotate the image so the text runs horizontal. Phone photos are almost never straight. Claude's vision model burns reasoning tokens trying to mentally rotate skewed text. Fix it once on your side and it stops paying that tax forever. Step 3. Adaptive threshold. A plain global threshold blows out shadowed areas. Adaptive threshold looks at local neighborhoods and binarizes each region against its own background. The shadow disappears. The glare disappears. The glare disappears. You get crisp black text on a clean white background that looks like a fax. That's it. Grayscale, deskew. Adaptive threshold. Save the cleaned image and send that to Claude instead of the raw photo. I ran this on a benchmark of 250 real phone photo receipts pulled from production. Raw upload scored 61% line item accuracy. After pre-processing, 93%. And here's the part people don't expect. Token cost dropped 41%. Cleaner input means Claude doesn't have to reason through ambiguity. It just reads. You pay less and get better results at the same time. The reason this works is simple. Vision models don't have magic. When the input is noisy, they hedge. They generate longer internal reasoning to decide whether that smudge is a 3 or an 8. You're paying for that hedging in output tokens and in errors. Fix the input and you stop paying both. If you're processing receipts, invoices, delivery notes, or any phone shot paperwork through Claude in your business, put the preprocessor in front of the API call, not behind it. Don't try to fix bad extraction with a smarter prompt. Fix the pixels first. If you want this kind of pre-processing pipeline built into your own receipt or invoice workflow, wired to Claude, your accounting tool, and your CRM so it just runs, see real examples of what we ship for clients at BizflowAI.io. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you catch the next breakdown. And if you've got a document workflow eating hours every week, book a free 30-minute discovery call at BizflowAI.io, and we'll map out exactly what to automate.